Hi guys, I'm LiveFlame creator, handmaker and doll collector, and I offer you to participate in unboxing of these strange books. Let's get started. I don't know why they added this extra cardboard layer, but whatever. This was 100% impulsive purchase, but I couldn't resist in buying this doll by Super Mico brand. It's a Chinese brand that makes vinyl dolls. And she has such a gothic look, and I couldn't resist in taking her. Let's open up. She has a very nice detailed gothic outfit and stand. I also love her makeup, a very detailed face, nice violet hair, shaved side of the head. Let's look at the outfit and dress her up. She has a very nice earrings, gloves, and boots. I already love her and super excited. Speaking about her movability, it's limited. And this part I don't like about her body, because I'm got used to bijuteries more. Let's dress her up. Her earrings are really cool. And here I noticed some mess, probably from her hair. Let's remove that. I won't be describing you the whole process of dressing her up. I will just say that it was really tricky because it's extra small and tight. All of those hooks and laces are really tricky to deal with large adults' hands. Here is my beauty all dressed up. A very nice detailed outfit. I love it very, very much. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye!